Feeling a cold coming on? Why golden milk is your natural shield. That first scratchy throat, a wave of fatigue, or just that off feeling that tells you something is coming. We've all been there. And whether it turns into a full-blown cold or just lingers in the background, it's never convenient and it always slows you down. In those moments, your body needs real support. Not another sugary drink or synthetic immune booster, but something natural, soothing, and effective. Something that works with your body, not against it. Let me introduce you to one of the most powerful ancient wellness tonics out there, with a modern plant-based twist. It's called Vegan Turmeric Golden Milk. Golden milk, also known as haldi doodh in India, has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and promote healing, especially during seasonal transitions or times of stress. At the heart of golden milk is turmeric, a bold yellow spice known not just for its flavor and color, but for its health benefits. Turmeric is rich in a compound called curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories we know of. Curcumin supports your immune system by reducing inflammation at a cellular level, helping your body fight off infections more effectively, acting as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage, and easing joint or muscle pain, especially when you're under physical or emotional stress. But here's the thing, curcumin by itself isn't easily absorbed by the body. That's where black pepper comes in. Just a small pinch of black pepper dramatically increases your body's ability to absorb and use curcumin up to 2,000% more effectively. Now combine that with warm, creamy plant-based milk, a touch of cinnamon, and a bit of natural sweetness, and you've got a drink that's not only healing, but genuinely enjoyable. And best of all, this version is 100% vegan. No dairy, no processed sugar, just pure, nourishing ingredients. In part 2, we'll go step by step through how to make vegan golden milk at home, the best time to drink it, and what kind of benefits you can expect when you add it to your routine. Let's get into the recipe. How to make vegan golden milk and what it can do for your health. Now that you know why turmeric golden milk is such a powerful remedy, let's talk about how to make your own. In just a few minutes, using simple plant-based ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of oat milk or almond milk, or any plant-based milk you love, 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, essential for absorption, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon maple syrup, or another natural sweetener like agave or date syrup. Instructions: pour the milk into a small saucepan and warm it over low to medium heat. Add the turmeric, black pepper, and cinnamon. Stir gently as it warms. Don't let it boil, just a light simmer is perfect. Once it's fully blended and warm, remove from heat and stir in the maple syrup. Pour it into a cozy mug and sip slowly. It's creamy, grounding, and deeply comforting, the kind of drink that feels like self-care in a cup. Now, let's talk about what happens when you start drinking this regularly. With consistent use, you may notice a stronger immune response, fewer colds, quicker recovery, reduced inflammation, especially helpful if you deal with aches, joint pain, or muscle tension, improved digestion. Turmeric and cinnamon are both gut-friendly. Better sleep, the warmth and spices are naturally calming at night, and a general feeling of balance and wellness, especially when taken as part of your evening or wind-down routine. This isn't just a seasonal drink, it's something you can enjoy year-round to support your immune system and reduce the chronic stress and inflammation that so often weaken our defenses. And because it's dairy-free and fully vegan, it's gentle on digestion and fits seamlessly into plant-based lifestyles. You can also get creative with it. Add a splash of vanilla extract for a cozy twist. Blend in fresh ginger for an extra immunity boost, or top with a sprinkle of nutmeg for an added calming effect. There's something beautiful about turning ancient wisdom into a modern ritual, something that not only supports your body, but reminds you to pause, breathe, and nourish yourself from the inside out. So the next time you feel that first tickle in your throat, or just want to unwind with something that's both delicious and healing, reach for your pantry, warm up your milk, and stir up something golden. Support your immunity, nourish your body, feel better naturally. Try vegan turmeric golden milk.